Okay, this is the photo gallery module, and it's located at this /district/gallery here. And on the home page, there is no widget to actually go along with this. Um, that's just how it is. I mean, I can create a text box here, and I can link this gallery. Let me go ahead and just say our photo gallery there, and then I'll say click here to see our photo gallery. And I'll just make this here a link. Hmm, okay. And I'll go to /district/gallery. So that's just one option I can do. There's not really a gallery widget. But the way the gallery module actually works is I'm able to actually access my albums here. Um, but I'm actually going to use the My Explorer Modern. So let me create a new gallery here. And I always say in all my videos that the share publicly must be checked off because it must. Even for our galleries here, I won't be able to actually see this training gallery until this shared publicly is checked off. To reiterate, this shared publicly does not mean anybody visiting the site can see this gallery or access the images. It just means that all the different modules that need to access this gallery can access this gallery. So I'll create, or I'll actually upload some images here. And let me just refresh this. Now when I click select albums, this is how I actually decide which albums are going to be placed into this photo gallery. So I'll refresh, and here's that training gallery there. And I'm actually able to view the images in a gallery. Okay, so this is essentially how the training or how the gallery module works.